This is a used 2013 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited, powered by four-wheel drive, a 3.6-liter, six-cylinder engine, and a 5-speed automatic transmission. With fewer than 8,000 miles, this vehicle is like new. The features include a power convertible top, leather seats, Sirius XM satellite radio, digital audio input, heavy-duty suspension, a premium sound system, premium rims, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, an alarm system, cruise control. Safety was made a priority with these features: fog lights, brake assist, traction control, stability control, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle history information. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.
Quality Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 1141 North Main Street, Tuele, Utah 84074.